Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect JBL to Xbox, followed immediately with instruction, not introduction. Xbox consoles are not designed for direct Bluetooth pairing with audio accessories like JBL headphones or speakers. This means you cannot simply connect them wirelessly like you might to a phone or computer. Understanding this limitation is the first step, as we will explore alternative methods to ensure you can still enjoy your JBL audio while gaming. The simplest and most reliable way to connect your JBL headphones is by using a wired connection. Many JBL headphones include a standard 3.5mm audio cable. You can plug one end into your JBL device and the other directly into the 3.5mm port located on the bottom of your Xbox controller. This setup ensures clear game audio and allows your microphone to work, providing an excellent, low-latency gaming experience. If you prefer a wireless experience, you will need to consider a third-party wireless adapter. There are various adapters available that plug either into your Xbox console or directly into the controller. These devices then create a wireless bridge, allowing your JBL Bluetooth headphones or speaker to receive audio from your Xbox. Always check the adapter's specifications to confirm it is compatible with your specific Xbox model and your JBL device to avoid any connectivity issues. Once connected, whether wired or through an adapter, you can fine-tune your audio for the best experience. Head into your Xbox's sound settings to adjust volume levels, chat mixer options, and even surround sound preferences. If your JBL device has its own equalizer settings, try adjusting them to boost footsteps or emphasize dialogue. Remember, for the most immediate sound response, a wired connection is typically superior, minimizing any potential audio lag.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.